what's up everyone? My name is Clarence Salmo from Bsit-1c, and I'm gonna show you what I have learned this topic with tackle all about later, and I hope sana may matutunan kayo sa gagawin kong video presentation nito, and sana tapusin niyo itong video na to upang sa ganun ay kahit paano may mapulot kayong aral dito sa gagawin nating video presentation na to. And sana matapos niyo to, and be right back. So, dako tayo dito sa evolution of ICT. Dito sa evolution of ICT, meron tayong tinatawag na 4 evolution of ICT. Okay? The first one is pre-mechanical. The second one is mechanical. And third one is electronic mechanical. And the fourth is electronic period. So, that is for evolution of ICT. And the next one, this is there are 4 main events found in this period. Okay? So, the first one is 4. Okay? The first one is the late vacuum tubes period. The second one is the transistor period, and the third is integrated circuit period, and the next is the computer processor period. So that is there are 4 main events found in this period. So, yeah. So, dako naman tayo sa brief history of computer, or kung sino-sino ba ito, kung ano ba yung mga na-invento nila, kilalanin natin sila kung sino-sino sila. Okay? The first one is John John Napier. Sino ba si John Napier? Kung makikita niyo siya guys, ayan siya. So, kumbaga, siya si John Napier, siya yung naka-imbento ng Napier bones. Okay? Isa rin siyang naka-imbento ng logarithm. So, yan si John Napier. Sunod naman is si William Oughtred slide rule. So, kung makikita nyo, ito siya guys, no? Si William naman, isa siyang naka-imbento ng tinatawag nating slide rule noong 17th century, if I'm not mistaken. Okay? And based on the emergency work on a logarithm, Banjan, Napier. Okay, dalawa sila. So, yan si William Oughtred. The next is Blaise Pascal. Si Blaise Pascal, kung makikita nyo, ito siya guys. Yan. Si Blaise Pascal naman, noong 1642, siya ay 19 years old, ay naimbento niya yung tinatawag nating Pascaline, o in short, is a short arithmetic machine. Okay? Yan si Blaise Pascal. The second is Fred Wilhelm Leibniz. So, mahirap guys banggitin yung pangalan niya, so medyo nabubulol-bulol tayo. Siya si Gottlieb, and kung makikita nyo, ito siya guys. Yan. Kung makikita yan. Yan si Gottlieb. Isa siyang German mathematician. And isa rin siyang philosopher na kung saan na-invento niya yung tinatawag nating step reckoner. Okay? Step reckoner noong 1672, natapos siya ng 1694 if I'm not mistaken. So, the next is Joseph Marie Jacquard. Si Joseph Marie Jacquard, hindi na natin pagligoy-ligoy pa guys, no? Rektahin na natin. Si Joseph Marie Jacquard is na-invent noong July 27 hanggang what do you call this? August 7, 1834, na-invento niya yung tinatawag nating the Jacquard looms, okay? Na kung saan kinokontrol siya by chain of a card. Okay? Kung makikita niyo siya, ito siya guys. Yan. So, the next is Charles Babbage. Si Charles Babbage, ito siya guys. Yan. Si Charles Babbage is isa siyang noong 1822, isa siyang English mathematician, no? And naka-invento siya ng tinatawag nating Babbage differential engine. Okay? Yan si Charles Babbage. And the next is si Ada Lovelace. Si Ada Lovelace, yan siya guys. Si Ada Lovelace, huwag natin paligoy-ligoy pa, isa siyang kauna-unahang programmer. Okay? And the next is si Herman Hollerith. Si Herman Hollerith is isa siyang American statistician na kung saan na-develop niya yung isang Hollerith Cavant machine at isang mechanical tabulator o tinatawag nating machine company. Okay, kung makikita nyo, ito siya guys. Yan. So, the next is, dako naman tayo sa early development electronic data processing. Okay? Dito naman guys is kung makikita ENIAC. First is ENIAC. So, what is ENIAC? What is the meaning of ENIAC? ENIAC is electronic numerical integrator and calculator. Okay? Kung makikita nyo is, yan yung ENIAC. The second is EDVAC. So, EDVAC is electronic discrete variable automatic computer. Okay? That is a EDVAC. And the next is EDSAC, electronic delay storage automatic calculator. That's EDSAC. The next is UNIVAC, which means universal automatic computer. Kung makikita nyo guys, no, ito, kung makikita nyo to, yan, pare-pareha sila, no? Kala mo pare-pareha sila, pero magkakaiba sila, guys. No? Ano ko lang, magkakaiba yan. Pero pare-parehas yan machine. Iba-iba lang ng ano. So, the next is network. Okay? Network. So, what is network? Network is interconnection between two or more computers. It is done to share computer and available resources. Okay? So, that is a network. Sa types of network naman is meron tayong tinatawag na PAN, LAN, WLAN, CAN, MAN, SAN, and WAN. So, ano bang ibig sabihin yan? So, ano nga ba ibig sabihin yan? And another pala, no? And ang network pala is isa siyang nagko-consist siya ng what do you call this? Nagko-consist siya ng multiple device na kung saan nagko-communicate with the another or ito yung isang what do you call this? Collection ng mga bagay na ng tao na grupo na by group system sila na nagko-konekta sa bawat isa. At ang tinatawag nating ang computer network, ito naman yung isang connection ng mga hardware or computers na pinag-uugnayan ng mga channel ng pagkukomunikasyon. Okay? So, dako na tayo dito sa, back to the topic tayo, dako tayo sa types of network. So, ano nga ba yung PAN? Yung PAN is a personal area network. Dun sa PAN naman is this is ginagamitan siya ng kumbaga sarili lang natin to, pansarili lang natin, and ginagamitan siya ng wireless technology. Okay? Wireless technology, and for example is such as Bluetooth and others. It can also connected by using what do you call this USB cable. Okay? So dako naman tayo sa LAN, which is a local area network. So this is a group of device that are located in the same building, sa kaparehas niyang building o kapareho niyang building. So, the next is WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. So, ito na is ginagamitan siya ng mga wireless communication, okay? Like, instead of wire communication, like, kahit nasaan ka man, makakapag-communicate kayo, or kahit nasaan man yung kausap mo, makakausap mo. And the next is CAN, Campus Area Network. Ito yung nag-join at two or more LANs together within what do you call this, a limited area. Okay? Limited area lang siya, no? Then the next is MAN, is a Metropolitan Area Network. Ito naman is yung pinakamalaking large Duncan what do you call this? Ito yung malaking network guys, no? Over several building in the city or town. That's a MAN. And the SAN naman is a storage area network. So itong SAN na to guys is what do you call this? Itong SAN na to, ito yung pinaka-special sa lahat kasi ito yung pinaka-mabilis na network. Okay? That stores and nagpo-provide yan ng mga access largest amount of data. Okay? The last is the WAN, which means wide area network. ito yung pinakamalaking type of network din na kung saan ini-span niya yung over a largest of geographical areas. So that's one. This is a types of network. So, dako naman tayo sa kasunod is network topology. So, ano nga ba yung network topology? Network topology is arrangement of the elements, okay? Elements of the communication network, okay? So, ang topology network is ito yung paglalarawan ng pag-aayos ng mga node hindi node node na kung saan halimbawa yung switch at mga router, something like that, sa isang network lamang na madalas na kinakatawan bilang isang graph. That is a network topology. And the next is this is a types of network topologies. Kung makikita nyo, meron tayong bus topology, okay, ring topology, star topology, tree topology, and mesh topology, and the last is a hybrid topology. So, ano nga ba yung bus topology? Ang bus topology is ito yung uri ng network na kung saan bawat parts or aparato tumatakbo mula sa isang dulo ng network hanggang sa isa pa. So, that is a bus topology. Okay? The next is a ring topology. Ang ring topology naman is sa mga network na may ring topology, ang mga computer ay konektado sa bawat isang pabilog na, what do you call this? Anong tawag doon? Format, pabilog na format na kung saan yung sa loob ng topology na ito, may isang node na pinili upang i-configure i-configure ang network na at subaybayan ang iba pang mga network or aparato. So the next, that is ring topology. The next is star topology, no? Star topology is ito yung kumbaga isang topology ng between isang what do you call this? Bawat node sa network ay konektado sa isang gitnang do you call this? Gitnang switch, no? Ang bawat parts nito or aparato sa network is direktang nakakonekta sa 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 switch na hindi na kailangan ng hindi na tuwirang nakakonekta sa what do you call this? Sa bawat iba pang node. Okay, that's star topology. Nag-gets nyo ba ako, guys? Sana naintindihan nyo ako, no? And the next is tree topology. Sa tree topology naman is ito yung isang pangkalahatang tuntunin na ang isang topology ng puno is kailangan magkaroon ng tatlong antas sa hierarchy. Tama ba? Tama yung pagkakano ko? Hierarchy, if I'm not mistaken. Upang tawag dito, upang may uring sa ganitong paraan is sa ganitong paraan. Ang form na ito is ito yung topology na ginagamitan sa loob ng wide area network. Okay, wide area network upang mapanatili ang maraming mga parts upang aparato ng pagkalat nang hindi na kumalat sa So that's the topology. So the next is a mesh topology. Okay, sa mesh topology is karamihan sa mga node ay magkakaugnay ngunit siya guys kumbaga may iilang mga tawag dito, may ilan na kung saan konektado lamang sa dalawang o tatlong what do you call this, tatlong iba pang mga node. Okay, ang isang buong topology kasi is ang topology ng mesh is ay kung saan ang bawat node ay may magkakaugnay. Okay, magkakaugnay sila, that's mesh. And then the last is a hybrid topology. So the hybrid topology guys is ito yung kumbaga pinakakaraniwang nakakatagpo ng sa mga malalaking negosyo kung saan ang mga individual na departamento ay what do you call this ay mga topology ng network na naiiba sa ibang topology na samahan. So that is a hybrid topology. Okay. The next one is ICT in everyday life. So sa ICT in everyday life, meron tayong tinatawag na the first one is education, banking, industry, and commerce. That is ICT everyday life, okay? So the next is positive and negative impact of ICT or on society. The first one, faster communication speed. The second one, lower communication costs. and the third one is a reliable mode of communication and effective sharing of information, and the next is a paperless environment and wordless communication social problems, and the next is a health problems. Okay? Hindi ko na papabain pa guys, no? Kumbaga sinama rin lang natin kung ano yung mga binuod na lang natin kung ano yung mga importante. No? That is the positive and negative impact of ICT on society. The next one is different computers of system. Okay? There are five major functions of computer. The first one is a data instruction, or papaiksi na natin hindi na natin siya babasahin. The first one is input. The second one is stored. Ito guys, kung makikita nyo the first one is input. The second one is stored. Second one is a process. Okay? The second one is a control and display. Okay? That's five major function of computer. Okay? Next is there are three components of computer system. Okay? So the first one is input unit, central processing unit, output unit, and the last is a main integral memory. So that is a three components of computer system. The next is a input devices or input unit device. Ito yung mga input guys, no? Kung makikita nyo, keyboard, mouse, joystick, trackball, light pen, scanner, and etc. So that is a input unit. Okay? The next is dako naman tayo sa there are three components of CPU guys ha. Yung kanina is a system. Ngayon CPU tayo. Okay? The first one is a input unit. The second one is memory unit. The third one is control unit. And next is a output unit. And the last is a arithmetic logic unit. That is a three component of CPU. Okay guys. Sana nakikinig kayo guys, no? Stay tuned lang dyan guys. Sana may maintindihan ko sa mga sinasabi ko. And the next is, dako tayo sa output device. Okay? Dito sa output device na to, is ito yung, yung output is, ito yung kung makikita nyo guys, kung makikita nyo, ito yung tinatawag nating, cathode ray tube monitor. Okay? So, yan yung mga output unit device guys kung makikita nyo. So, ito naman guys, kung makikita nyo, itong binibilugan ko na yan, kung makikita nyo, yan yung daisy wheel. Okay? Ito naman guys, yung naka-arrow, is yan yung line printer. So, di ko na mabanggitin ko ano yung mga yan, basta yan yung mga example ng output unit device, no? Sana nakikinig kayo, sana naiintindihan yung mga sinasabi ko. And the next is, there are two types of non-impact of non-impact printer. Okay? The first one is a laser printer. Dito sa laser printer na to guys, kung makikita nyo, ito yung dito yung may mga advantage at disadvantage sila. Ito na guys, yung advantage naman nito, is a very high speed, a very quality, and good graphics siya, good graphics quality, and yan yung mga advantage niya. And yung disadvantage naman niya guys is siyang expensive siya. Okay, expensive siya guys, and cannot itong laser printer na to cannot use to produce multiple copies of a document in single printing. Okay, dito naman sa inkjet printers na to, is yung advantage naman niya, isa rin siya high quality printing and more reliable. Okay, so same lang sila ng disadvantage, pero ito guys is yung disadvantage naman nito guys is mabagal. Okay, and expensive din siya. So that is a two types of non-impact printer. Yan guys yung pagkakaiba nila. So the next is the internet. So internet, what is internet? It is a network of networks that consists private, public, academic, business, and government networks of a local global scope linking by a broad array of electronic, wireless, and optical network technologies. In short, network is that consists of private, public, academic, business, and a government network of local to global scope. So that is a network, internet, okay? So the advantage of internet is this is a Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Google, and Flick at Orkut. So, alam naman natin guys na nagagamit na alam naman natin na yung Facebook is halos araw-araw natin ginagamit yan. Alam natin yan. Twitter, meron tayong yan. Yung iba, hindi. Yung iba, meron. Yung iba, wala. Basta ginagamit yan. Yahoo, meron tayong yan. Dati yung mga ano. Pero siguro ngayon, meron pa rin siguro ngayon. Pero ano. So, that is advantage of internet. So, this is a part of communication source of information. So, ito yung online television, online games, song, video, social network. So, sa mga kunwari nakakapanood tayo sa TV, that is part of communication source of information, no? Nangasa na sa TV, laptop, computer, etc. Basta kung yan yung source of information. The next is internet allows us the many service like the first one is internet banking, matrimonial services, online shopping, online ticket booking, and online billing payment, data sharing, and email. Lahat yan ginagamitan ng internet connection. Okay, naintindihan nyo? Lahat yan. And sa panahon ngayon is technologies na tayo guys, kung alam nyo lang. Technologies na tayo. And napaka-importante ng technology ngayon sa panahon ngayon natin. Okay? Sana tandaan nyo yung mga sinasabi ko. And the next is so dako naman tayo sa intranet. Pag sinabi nating intranet, kung makikita nyo guys, intranet, ito yung kumbaga, ito yung it is a private network that contains within the organization or what do you call this or business. So the purpose of intranet is to share organizational information and resources among co-workers, okay? Co-workers pala. Okay? So that is intranet. The next is ano naman tayo sa and anyway pala guys, no, may mga benefits pala yung biglang nag-thinking sa akin, no. May mga benefits yung internet na yon. The first one is communication, if I'm not mistaken, no. Communication and time saving, security, and business management, and cost effective, etc. Maraming benefits of internet. Okay? So, dako tayo sa tinatawag nating extranet. So, ano ba yung extranet? Extranet is a refers to a network within organization using internet to connect to the outsider is a control manner. Something like that, if I'm not mistaken. It helps to connect business with what do you call this? With with their customers and suppliers, and therefore allows working in a collaborative manner. So that is extranet. Okay? The next is iOS model. Okay? Sa iOS model na to is meron tayong tinatawag na yan. Meron tayong tinatawag na application layer. Ano nga ba yung application layer? Yung application layer na to, ito yung kumbaga isa siyang human computer na nag-i-interact ng layer using where kung saan yung application na yun nag-access ng network services. That is application layer. Okay? The next is a presentation layer. Sa presentation layer naman is ito yung ini-ensure niya yung data na kung saan ginagamitan niya ng format ng data what do you call this, encryption occurs. Okay? That is presentation layer. The next one is session layer. Sa session layer naman, ito yung mini-maintain niya. Okay guys, ito yung mini-maintain niya yung connection or napaka-responsable rin nitong session layer na 'to na kung saan kinokontrol niya yung mga ports, and session. Okay, that is a session layer. So, the next one is transport layer. Transport layer naman, ito yung tinatransmit niya yung data gamit yung transmission protocols. Alam niyo na, ginagamit niya na kung saan including what do you call this? Including ginagamit siya ng protocols including um, TCP and UDP. So that is a transport layer. So the next one is a network layer. Sa network layers naman is nagde-decide siya which physical path and data will take kung ano yung ita-take niya. That's a internet layer. Ay, internet layer tuloy. Network layer, sorry guys. So the next one is data link layer. Sa data link layer naman, ito yung dinidefine niya yung format ng data dun sa network. Okay? Medyo gets nyo ba guys? Medyo gets nyo? That is a data link layer. The next one is a physical layer. Okay? Physical layer. Sa physical layer naman, ito rin yung nagtatransmit raw bit stream over the physical medium. Gets? That is a physical layer. So, that is the OSI model. Okay guys, naiintindihan nyo ba guys? No? Next naman is dako tayo sa Uniform Resources of Locator. In short, URL. So, refers to the web address which uniquely identifies a document over the internet. Okay? So, this document can be a web page, image, audio, video, or anything else present on the web. That is URL. In short, Uniform Resources and Locator. The next one is there are two forms of URL as listed below. So the first one is absolute URL. Absolute URL is a complete address of a resources on the web. This a completed address comprises of protocol use serve name, path name, and file name. That is absolute URL. And the next one is a relative URL. Relative URL is a partial address of a web page, unlike absolute URL. The protocol and server part are omitted from a relative URL. Okay, that is relative. So there are two form of URL listed below. Sana nag-gets niyo guys, no? The next one is the internet services. Internet services is allow us to access an amount of information such as what they call this text, graphics, sound, software over the internet. So that is internet services. So meron tayong four different categories of internet services. The first one is a web services. Okay, kung makikita nyo guys, no? Web services, World Wide Web, communication service, information retrieval services. Dito sa worldwide, ito yung ginagamitan natin gigs pag nagsa-site tayo. Like www.facebook.com, ganun, etc. No? Gets nyo ba guys? No? And dako tayo sa susunod. The next is a video conferencing. No? Sa video conferencing na to, is ito yung tinatawag nating, what do you call this? Is a method of communicating by a two-way video and audio transmission with the help of technologies, telecommunication technologies. And yun guys, no, dito sa video na to, sa video conferencing, is hindi lang dalawa, hindi lang tatlo, hindi lang apat, hindi lang lima, more than 5, more than 10, more than 20, na pwede na tayong makapag-usap-usap gamit yung video conferencing na to. And so yun guys, I hope may natutunan kayo. Thank you for love, support, encouragement. Stay safe guys. Okay, mawalan ng pag-asa. Sana may natutunan kayo sa ginawa kong video presentation na to. And I hope makatulong sa inyo and malaman nyo kung ano yung kahalagahan ng mga pinagsasabi ko. And sana guys, I hope may natutunan kayo. So, that is it guys. Peace!